Great job. there, Bentley. Okay, Jordan. To the left for Daniel.
Hey, how's that movement?
Bentley, get wider. Drop.
Go.
Stay with them. Pick him up, Khalil. Gotta send it quicker, guys. Stay out wide, Daniel. Daniel! Why are you in the middle? Okay? He can't pass it to you if you're 2 feet in front of him. Okay, now get wide.
Levi, help him.
Now go.
Musa, help him. Go on, Trevor.
Hey, Musa, get there, Benny.
Come on, Levi.
Get up there, Liam, if you can. Get up there. Support that. Okay, Liam and Khalil, switch. Daniel, let's go. Back right, Liam. Team Earl, right? So when we get the ball and all three of you guys are right there, we have no width. Okay, we got to expand when we have the ball, right? I know you know that. Shoulder check, Liam. Let's go, boys! Go, Bills, get back! Okay, Jordan, head to the box. Right there, Alan. Right there. Jordan.
Go,
Good try.
Okay, let's go, boys.
Hey, call yourself.
To the retreat line. Let's get our shape. So Ben, they want you 10 yards in front of Allen, right? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Roll. That's good. Jordan. Here. Run back with him. Here's your guy here. Out wide. Watch him. Get back, Musa. He's going to check your back, just like you were. I told you off because you were doing it. Now he's going to. Okay? You got to be both ways responsible. See support. No, it was out of bounds. Okay, get your shape, guys. Jordan, don't turn your back and play that long, bud. Khalil, pick up here in the middle. 3. That's right. Good job. Stay with him, Jordan. Good drop, Jordan. Drop 2 in, Jordan. Nice try. That's better, guys. Get back, Allen. All the way, Allen. Drop. He shouldn't be behind you. Come on, guys. Better shot.
Higher! Shofu! Command the ball!
Support him, Liam. Okay, short grass, guys. Those 2 balls are going to go. Watch your waiting. Okay, Andre, you press. Force him. No, press on an angle. There you go. Drop, Jordan. Good. Drop with him, Allen. No, Allen, stay central. Allen, get back in the middle. Get up there, Jordan.
Slow him down. Good grab.
Be strong, guys. Stay with them, Jordan. Win that back. Good.
Recover, Johan. Recover.
Move up. Wingbacks, move up. Musa, what are you doing? Okay, force him outside, Andre. To the middle, Khalil. Go with it, Jordan. Here yet. Allen, don't dive in. Jordan to me. Move up, Liam. Khalil, move up.
Well done. Good job. Good pressure.
Refs up. Musa.
It's okay, bud. Just hang on to it for now.
Why'd you go so wide? Cross it in. got space,
Just hold on to the end now.
I know what you're trying to do, but you have like 10, 12 feet of space in front of you. So just take the ball and go and have a shot yourself. Okay? Let's go, boys. Get a few more.
Go. Go, Fu, get higher.
Okay, Daniel Benny, you ready? Nico, you'll be on in about a minute, 30 seconds. Okay, send back in.
Go, get higher. Go.
Support him, Bentley. Right? When he's got the ball out wide, make an angle run in. Right? And then if we lose the ball, transition back. But get your shots on net, right?
Oh, get higher. Oh, get higher. Need it. A little bit higher. Start a little bit higher.
Right ball, right ball. That's good, Bentley. That's good. Overlap.
Well done.
Bentley, way to stick with the play. Good job. See what happens, right? Yep. Well, we'll see. Sit on the bench for now, guys. Force him. That's right, Jordan. Cover. Khalil, good. Khalil, not too far.
Mohammed, come. Levi, you get a sub. Go.
Turn go. Tuck in, Khalil, tuck in. See Moody. Okay, Liam, take it. Or Bentley, take it. Bobby, stay there. Moody, far side. Jordan, near post. Go. Get up there, Booty. Andre, go. Good try.
Well done.
Jordan, get on and settle it. Be strong. Next subs. Okay, Jordan, Booty. That was great. I like how he was pressing and sat back. See that?
Hustle back.
Shoulder check. Daniel, go with him. force it. Get up there, Daniel. Cover, Daniel. Drop with them. Stay with them, Andre.
Sammy, you're gonna go get it.
Okay, now go back up, Andre. Head in, Daniel. Get a foot on it. Hey, switch it. Switch and go. Get up there.
Good try.
Go there. Allen. Control it, guys. Control it. You can now go. Bentley, get up. Bentley, get up. Take up that space. Get up, Liam. Carry it. Go with them, Daniel. Go with them. Shoulder check, Bentley. Okay, mark up, guys. Get back. Mark in front, Khalil. That's your guy there. Other side of him, goal side, Khalil. That's good there. You mark two, Khalil. Go with two.
Good job. Oh. Drop three on the wall, one drop. There you go, Khalil on the wall. Job.
Drop this way. In a little bit. Watch. Nico, number 10.
Nice. All right, boys, run. Oh, good try. Keep running, keep running. Oh, great poke. Oh, offside.
Yeah, exactly. It would have been a penalty if it wasn't offside. Okay, good job, guys. Good play. Musa. Musa. Press. Press to force a decision, not just straight on. There it is, there it is. Get up there. Good job, Daniel. Play on the other side. Liam, support. Go, Liam.
Pass back.
Go with him, Daniel. Go with him. No shot, no shot, no shot.
Nice save.
That's okay, Mac. That's okay. That's okay.
Good wheels.
Watch out wide. Daniel, don't turn your back. Back pedal wide. Look this way, Max. 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 Just roll it out to your defense. We'll build up. Good job.
Good half, boys.